Meaning of germanium.
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 Germanium. Germanium is a chemical element with the atomic number 32. It is a lustrous, hard, grayish-white metalloid in the carbon group of the periodic table. Germanium has many important applications, including use in semiconductors and optical fibers. It is also used as an alloying agent in some types of steel and as a catalyst in certain chemical reactions. Germanium has a high refractive index and is transparent to infrared radiation, making it useful in lenses and other optical components. Overall, germanium is a versatile element with many valuable properties and practical uses.